going to write you a letter. When I turn the page, I'd have the courage, yeah. And it's tough to let go even after all of this time. You are the reason why I'm fucked up, was drugged up. I looked up 'cause I believed in all those lies, that you loved me, you never loved me. I don't know how to accept that what you did still colors me black, and it's got me like, I feel so, made this void now, you don't look back, and it's got me like, I feel so, let's let you there. Let's let you there. What you did still colors me black, and it's got me like, feel so. Made this void now, you don't look back. It's and I still see you smiling when you said to me, don't be a crybaby. And I've been told that you moved now, even though I still feel the echoes. I'm fucked up, and I can't love myself now. I live like I always lies, that I'm not enough, though you're not enough. I just want to shout it out, that what you did still colors me black, and it's got me like, I feel so, made this void now, you don't look back, and it's got me like, I feel so, let's want you there. Let's let you there. Now what did
We're running out of options. I didn't know then, but we took every precaution. Now you're holding back, but I can hear the pain underneath your breath. I can feel the shame running through your head. I just wanna stop it, I just wanna stop it. Where do you turn when you need someone? Where do you hide when you just can't run? Where do you go when you have no home? When you have no hope? What do you do when you're losing sleep? When real life doesn't beat your dreams? I just wanna know if you feel it too. Is it me and you, all alone in a crowded room? you turn when you need someone?